the powerful drink that helps suck out sugar from the blood and lower A1C, and the truth no one tells you. For many of us over 60, controlling blood sugar feels like trying to hold water in our hands. It's frustrating, tiring, and can feel unfair, especially when you're doing your best to avoid sweets and still the numbers won't listen. Your doctor keeps mentioning A1C, and maybe you nod, but deep down you wish there was a simple, gentle way to help your body without making your life harder. The truth is, your body is always trying to heal, and it needs small, daily allies to help it find balance. You're not alone in this. And today, I want to share something that might give your body a gentle push in the right direction. No complicated powders, no strange pills, just a simple, warm cup that you can add to your morning or afternoon routine, with ingredients you may already have at home. Today, I'm going to share with you a simple and natural tea recipe that many seniors have found helpful in supporting healthier blood sugar levels. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a small step that, along with healthy habits, can help your body manage sugar in a way that feels more natural. We often forget how much small habits can help, and this tea can be one of those comforting habits you look forward to each day. Alongside this tea, I will gently remind you how important it is to keep moving your body, eat real food, and find moments of calm, because all of these work together like a gentle team inside you. Stay with me until the end, as I'll explain how each ingredient in this tea can become your quiet helper in this journey. And don't worry, it's easy, and you can make it taste the way you like it, warm or cold, as a comforting part of your day. Number 4, rosemary. You might have a small rosemary plant on your windowsill, or maybe you've seen it in the grocery store and passed it by, thinking it was just for fancy cooking. But rosemary can be a quiet helper for your body, especially if you're trying to manage your blood sugar. I remember the first time I made rosemary tea. I was surprised by how comforting its scent was. Like a walk in the fresh air. It's not about magic or sudden changes, but about giving your body small helpers that work in the background while you live your day. When you use rosemary in your tea, it feels like you're inviting a little bit of nature into your cup, letting your body receive something gentle that supports you. Sometimes we think we need to do big things to help our health, but it's often these small choices that add up quietly. Rosemary is known for having antioxidants, which are like tiny shields that protect your body from the little fires inside that can make blood sugar harder to control. You don't need to remember the big words. Just know that rosemary helps your body use insulin better, which can help sugar move into your cells where it belongs instead of staying in your blood. Many seniors find that including rosemary tea as part of their routine gives them a feeling of comfort and a small sense of control, which is so important when dealing with blood sugar. It's not about replacing your doctor's advice, but about adding something natural that your body can recognize. And if you felt frustrated with numbers that won't budge, it's comforting to know you can do something gentle to support your journey. Some people worry about taste, but rosemary tea has a fresh, slightly pine-like taste that can be softened with a bit of lemon or a cinnamon stick if you like. It's easy to prepare. Just take a small sprig or a teaspoon of dried rosemary, pour hot water over it, and let it sit for about 5 minutes. While you wait, take that time to breathe, look out the window, or stretch your legs. Let the ritual itself become part of your healing, reminding you that you're taking care of yourself in small, steady ways. Drinking it warm can feel like a comforting hug to your insides, and you can even let it cool and drink it over ice during warmer days. It's a reminder that caring for yourself can be simple. One thing I love about rosemary is how it helps with inflammation, which is something many seniors struggle with without even realizing it. Inflammation can make your body resistant to insulin, and rosemary gently helps reduce that hidden struggle inside. You may not see it happening, but your body notices when you give it things that help it heal quietly. It's like watering a plant. You may not see it grow in a day, but day by day it becomes stronger. The same happens with your health when you give your body these small helpers like rosemary tea. You're not powerless in your journey, even if it sometimes feels that way. As you sip your rosemary tea, I encourage you to think about how this small act is a promise to yourself that you're not giving up. You're choosing to care for your body, to support it, and to give it a chance to find balance again. Sometimes we wait for big changes, but they often begin with small, gentle steps, repeated each day with kindness toward ourselves. Rosemary may be a small herb, but it carries a big message. You are still capable of supporting your health, no matter your age, and you deserve to feel hope in your journey. Number 3, fennel. Maybe you remember the gentle smell of fennel from your childhood, or maybe you've had it in a cup of tea when your stomach felt heavy. Fennel has a soft, sweet scent, almost like a whisper that calms you when you breathe it in. For seniors trying to manage blood sugar, fennel can be a quiet companion, helping your body in small ways that add up over time. You don't need to change your entire life to add fennel to your day. Just a small cup of fennel tea can become a comforting habit. It's a way of telling yourself that you are choosing to care for your health, even in a world that feels busy and loud. Fennel doesn't promise miracles, but it does offer support that your body can recognize and appreciate. One of the things I love about fennel is how it helps with digestion, and many seniors know that a calm stomach makes the day easier. But beyond comfort, fennel may help your body manage sugar levels gently, helping the nutrients from your food be absorbed properly without creating spikes in your blood sugar. Stress can quietly push our sugar levels higher without us realizing it, and fennel's relaxing nature can help your body stay calm, which is more important than we often think. Drinking fennel tea can be like pressing a gentle pause button in your day, letting your body and mind slow down for a moment while giving your blood sugar a chance to stay steady. Preparing fennel tea is easy. You can use fennel seeds, about a teaspoon, and pour hot water over them, letting it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. While it sits, take that time to breathe and let yourself pause. If you want a softer taste, you can add a slice of lemon or a small piece of ginger to your cup. This small ritual can become a comforting part of your day, something you can look forward to, reminding yourself that you are doing something kind for your body. Many seniors find that having a tea ritual also helps reduce mindless snacking, which can help with blood sugar management over time. Sometimes, we feel like sugar is the enemy, and managing it feels like a constant fight. But adding fennel tea to your day can remind you that you can work with your body instead of fighting it. It's a way to show yourself care, and that care sends a message to your mind and your body that you are worth the effort. You don't need to rush or expect everything to change in a week. These small acts build strength quietly, day by day. Fennel is not about restriction, but about adding something that helps your body do its job a little easier. As you sip your fennel tea, think of it as a small promise to yourself that you are choosing to support your health in gentle ways. You are not giving up. You are giving your body tools to help itself. Managing blood sugar is not just about numbers. It's about feeling better in your daily life, having more energy, and moving with more ease. Each small step, like adding fennel tea, is part of that journey, reminding you that it's never too late to care for yourself with kindness and hope. Number 2, ginger. Ginger has a warm, spicy scent that feels like a gentle wake-up call for your body, especially on mornings when you feel heavy and slow. Many seniors have ginger in their kitchens without realizing how much it can quietly help them on their journey to manage blood sugar. It's not just for adding flavor to meals. Ginger can become a daily companion that supports your body in small but powerful ways. When you add ginger to your tea, you're not just making a warm drink. You're giving your body a helper that works quietly in the background while you live your day. It's comforting to know that something so simple, something you can find easily in any grocery store, can be part of your journey toward feeling better and stronger. One of the reasons ginger is so loved is because it helps your body use sugar in a healthier way. Instead of sugar sitting in your blood, ginger helps your body move it into your cells where it can be used for energy, which is what we want, especially as we get older. Ginger also has a warming effect, helping your metabolism stay active, which many seniors find helpful, especially when feeling sluggish. You don't need to understand every detail of how it works. Just know that ginger helps your body do its job a little easier, giving you one more gentle tool in your daily routine to help manage blood sugar without stress or fear. Preparing ginger tea is simple. You can slice a small piece of fresh ginger, about the size of your thumb, and add it to hot water, letting it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. If you prefer, you can add a bit of lemon or cinnamon to soften the taste, making it a tea you look forward to drinking. This small ritual of preparing ginger tea can also become a mindful moment in your day, reminding you to pause, breathe, and care for yourself. Each sip can feel like a small encouragement, reminding you that you're not powerless, that you can make choices that support your body gently, even if you're dealing with health challenges. Sometimes it feels like managing blood sugar is a constant battle, but ginger can remind you that you can add warmth and comfort to your journey. It's not about strict diets or fear. It's about adding small, helpful steps that your body recognizes and appreciates. Ginger also helps reduce inflammation in your body, which is important for seniors, as inflammation can quietly make blood sugar harder to manage. By adding ginger tea to your day, you're giving your body a chance to calm those hidden struggles, helping your blood sugar find balance in a natural and kind way. As you drink your ginger tea, I encourage you to think of it as a gentle act of self-care, a small promise to yourself that you are choosing to support your health with kindness and hope. Each day you choose to add ginger tea to your routine, you're reminding yourself that it's never too late to care for your body. These small steps, repeated daily, can add up to big changes over time, helping you feel more energy, more comfort, and more strength in your day-to-day life. Ginger may be small, but it carries a warmth that can remind you that you still have the power to care for yourself, one gentle cup at a time. Number 1, lemon. Lemon is something many of us have in our kitchens without realizing how powerful it can be in helping our bodies, especially when we are working to manage blood sugar. Its bright, fresh scent can bring a sense of lightness to your day, even on mornings when you feel slow or heavy. For seniors, adding lemon to your tea is not just about taste. It's about giving your body a gentle helper that supports your health in small, natural ways. It doesn't promise to fix everything overnight, but it can become a comforting part of your daily routine, reminding you that small choices can make a difference in how you feel. Lemon is easy to use and can add a bit of brightness to your journey toward better health. Lemon is known for its ability to help control sugar spikes in your blood, which can be one of the most challenging parts of managing blood sugar. It has natural properties that can help your body use sugar more efficiently, which can help lower the highs that can leave you feeling tired or drained. The vitamin C in lemon is also important, as it helps your body stay strong and supports your immune system, something many seniors appreciate as they work to stay active and well. You don't need to remember all the details. Just know that lemon can help your body do its job a little easier, supporting you in a gentle, natural way. Making lemon tea is very simple. Just slice a fresh lemon and add it to hot water, letting it sit for a few minutes so the flavors can blend into the water. You can add lemon to your rosemary, fennel, or ginger teas, making them taste brighter and more refreshing. Drinking lemon tea in the morning can feel like a fresh start, while having it in the afternoon can help you feel light and awake without needing sugary drinks or snacks. This small habit can remind you to slow down, take a breath, and care for yourself, even on busy or challenging days. Sometimes we forget how powerful small habits can be, especially when dealing with something as tiring as managing blood sugar. Lemon tea can be one of those small, daily choices that remind you that you're not powerless in your health journey. Each sip is a gentle reminder that you can support your body naturally, without stress or fear, and that you're taking steps to feel better in your daily life. Lemon doesn't need to replace the care you get from your doctor. It simply becomes an ally, working with you quietly as you focus on living your life with more energy and hope. As you drink your lemon tea, I encourage you to think of it as a small promise to yourself that you are choosing to care for your health in a way that feels kind and doable. Managing blood sugar isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's about feeling more comfortable in your body, having the energy to do the things you love, and moving through your day with a bit more ease. Lemon may be a simple fruit, but it can remind you that small steps, taken with care, can help you feel stronger and more hopeful each day. It's never too late to support your body with gentle habits like this. We've talked about rosemary, fennel, ginger, and lemon, and how these gentle, natural ingredients can help support your body in managing blood sugar. Each one brings its own quiet strength, working in the background as you go through your day, offering a small promise that you can take steps to feel better. It's not about making huge changes overnight, but about adding small, caring habits that your body can recognize and appreciate. This tea can be a comforting part of your routine, reminding you that even if the journey feels long, you're still moving forward one warm cup at a time. As we get older, it's easy to feel like our bodies are working against us, especially when numbers on the glucose meter refuse to budge. But remember, you're not alone in this journey, and your body is always trying to heal, even when it doesn't feel like it. The small choices you make, like drinking this tea, eating real food, moving your body gently, and finding quiet moments of rest all add up to help you feel stronger. It's not about being perfect. It's about being kind to yourself and remembering that your efforts matter, even on the hard days. Adding this tea to your day can feel like a small act of hope, a gentle reminder that you can care for yourself no matter your age. Many seniors find that having a daily tea ritual helps them feel more connected to their health, creating a quiet moment in their day to breathe and slow down. Over time, these small moments build a stronger foundation for your health, helping you feel more comfortable in your body and more able to enjoy the moments that matter with your loved ones. You deserve to feel that comfort and hope before adding any new habit or tea to your routine, especially if you have diabetes or take medication. It's always wise to check in with your doctor or a healthcare professional you trust. Everyone's body is different, and what helps one person may need to be adjusted for another. You don't need to make big changes quickly. Instead, take small, careful steps, allowing your body time to adjust gently as you add new, supportive habits. This way, you can feel safe and confident as you care for your health, knowing you're working with your body, not against it. And if you found this video comforting or helpful today, I would love for you to give a like and share it with a friend or family member who might need a little hope on their health journey too. It's a simple way to help others feel encouraged, just as you are taking small steps to care for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more gentle, practical tips for seniors on staying healthy, managing blood sugar, and finding comfort in your daily life. Together, we can build small habits that bring more strength, peace, and hope, one warm cup at a time.